refreshing our channel, and if you're joining us for the first time, welcome. Today I'll be doing a tutorial on how to solve the problem of oily face. If you have an oily face and you have problems like pimples, blackheads, and skin tag, I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of it and how to make your makeup last longer on your face. Let's begin. Alright, to solve the problem of oily face, you will need to exfoliate your face at least twice or 3 times a week. To exfoliate your face, all you need is apple cider vinegar and turmeric. I'm using organic apple cider vinegar with the mother, which I made myself with raw apples, sugar, and water. So to exfoliate your face, all you need to do is a teaspoon of turmeric and half teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Mix it properly and apply on your face and allow it to sit on your face for 30 minutes before washing it off with soap and water. After washing your face, if you wish to apply makeup, you will need to use a face primer on your face to make your makeup last longer. But we all know that most of the face primers in the market are chemically based, and when you keep applying it over time, you're going to hurt your skin. You know, the skin on our face is very thin. Primer, you'll be needing an aloe vera gel. You can buy aloe vera gel from the market, and you can also scoop out the gel of fresh aloe vera, blend and sieve. Then you will need glycerin and a water-based foundation. You're using water-based foundation because you are trying to solve the problem of oily face. Alright, if the skin on your face is oily, you don't have to use oil-based foundation. All you need is water-based foundation. You can add vitamin E. That will be optional. Alright, to make your face primer, all you will need to do is to turn your aloe vera gel. What I have here is about 30 ml of aloe vera gel. So you turn your aloe vera gel into a clean container, then add few drops of glycerin. You can use a spoon for that. You can add few drops of glycerin. This will moisturize your face. Remember, aloe vera is a preservative, so you don't have to add chemicals to preserve your mixture. The aloe vera mixture you are making as a face primer is already a preservative on its own. It has preservative properties, and that's why they add it to most of our cosmetics as well as the medicines we swallow. Then you can add your water-based foundation. Just a little bit of it will be okay. What I'm using here is Kiss Beauty water-based foundation. Just add a little bit of it and mix with your scapula. Make sure you're using a clean scapula for this. Once your face primer is mixed, all you need to do is to turn it into a container of your choice. You can use a funnel to turn your face primer into your container. Remember, adding foundation is optional. If you don't want to add foundation to your face primer, you don't have to do that. You can just make your face primer with aloe vera gel, glycerol, and vitamin E. Alright, that's all for this tutorial, and that's what I use because I have an oily face. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with your loved ones, and of course subscribe so that you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you.